Get over here, Adam. Alright, it's Mitch and Adam. We're about to box. This is Beastly. You ready, Adam?
Yep.
Ding, ding, ding. Oh. Come on. Come on. Oh, you're gonna have to swing. Oh. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Ow. Come on. Come on, gangster. End of round one. Come on. Ding, ding, ding. Round two. Yeah, stay in the frame. Stop running over there.
Stop.
Come over here and swing.
No.
You have to throw some punches to hit me. Here we go.
Hurts.
It's supposed to hurt. We're fighting.
Dude, seriously.
Come on. You gotta throw a punch. You haven't even thrown one yet.
Yeah, I have.
Come on. Come on.
Seriously.
Come on.
Why do you want to fight me?
Dude, we're gonna watch it. Come on.
Let's watch it.
Everybody's gonna see you running over there every 10 seconds.
Dude, you said jabs.
Alright, jabs, let's throw.
Ah.
Come.
Sorry, my man.
It's
No
good.
kidding. What if you know?
You're allowed to kick.
No.
You are. Come.
Cut the
Jabs, I'll throw more jabs. I'm sorry. Come. Just come on. Stay in the frame. You're running out of the frame. The video can't even see you.
No, dude, seriously.
I didn't even crank you there.
I don't care.
Come on. You're on a video.
I know.
Come on. Ooh. In a different time zone. Ah. Let's watch it. I'm Mitchell Budd. I am the champion yet again. 'Cause I'm a beast.